to the rescue again.
Yeah, that's what's being married 40 years will get you. Your own mechanic.
All right, so before we install the hood on the Bronco, we're gonna go ahead and do the final buffing on it. Now I've wet sanded it in about 6 different stages of paper, and now we're gonna do the buffing in 3 stages of the Perfect It EX by 3M. You got the white pad, the blue pad, and the black pad, and the compounds that go with each pad. So stay away from your edges and you should be good. Any questions on the edges here, you can always put down some tape, but I've already got that side done with 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and start buffing this side with 1, and then we'll go to 2 and 3, and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. I've got plenty of videos out there where I've done buffing, so I'm not gonna go through all the great details. So let's see what we got going on. All right, so let's get after it. See if we can make a mess. Make sure you use plenty of compound when you're buffing. Starts to get dry on you, just put a little bit more on. But when I'm holding the buffer and it's being buffed, I'm tilting it to the right just a little bit, just to keep it to where I can guide it myself and drive it easy, kind of like toe in on a car when you're doing a front end alignment. If it was flat, it would want to try to jockey around on me a whole bunch of different directions, but tilting it just a little bit, and I keep most of the weight of the buffer off of the panel itself. So basically, it's getting less weight by holding it up a little bit, and it's tilted to the right. Okay, go up over the body right there.
Can you sit it down?
No,
Cut my hand.
that's on paint. That's on paint.
Cut my hands.
All right.
You have to go back. All I can think is that your video. My hand is, you keep pulling it from me. I can't, my arm is giving up.
Okay. We're only a fraction of the way
Well, you know
there.
what, if I'm on that side, it would be better. Because the back part is easy.
Well, your arm's still gonna give out.
My left arm is it. I can't get it all the way up there though.
Can you push up on your back arm?
Whoa.
You're not gonna do it. Come on, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back.
Man, I ain't lying to you. Putting a hood on a Bronco with fresh paint, husband and wife, it's a job. No runs, no drips, and no airs. So everything looks good. Now let's take a look at it. We just got through buffing it. You saw that. Saw me get the windshield in. You saw me paint the roof. I'm not sure all this is gonna be on the same video, but there you go. Now, get those fenders on, and then get the doors on. Still gotta paint the grill, still gotta paint the tailgate. All right, Got one fender on. Let me grab the other one. I managed to get the 2 front fenders on. Now all we like is the doors for the painted parts. Not bolted down yet, but they are on.
Thanks for stopping by the shop today. You know I always need a hand. Miss Spanky came out and she lended a hand twice. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please like, tag, share, and subscribe, and jump on over to Spanky'sHotRods.com and get yourself some t-shirts. Now, if you're through watching, get out in the garage and go build something. See you guys on the next episode.